Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're having a great day. It's time to water some of these plants, I think. I don't know if you can see it in the light, but a lot more drier patches like in the middle here. So we're going to do some bottom watering. I'm going to put some nutrients in and we'll water from the bottom up. Let the soil and the roots soak it all up from the bottom so the top doesn't get waterlogged or damage the seedlings on top. Let's give this a whirl. So we're just going to lift up the seed tray itself, put some water into the bottom of the tray, put them back in, a couple of minutes, and everything should be soaked up. So I'm going to use some of this chili fert, very strong, 18 by 18 by 18. So that's your nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, so super strong. Very concentrated stuff, but let's give this a little bit of a damp there with some water and that should be perfect. So that's quite a lot, but we're going to do all 4 of the trays, give them all a dunk in this fertilized water, so it should be okay for them. Let's see. Okay, let's drop them in. They'll probably float a little bit. So I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit, see the water levels, top it up if I need to, and that should bottom water. Okay everyone, so they've all had a nice drink from the bottom up, and it's already, dry patches of the soil are already starting to get nice and damp on the top there. Lovely stuff. It soaked up the water so quickly. I thought I'd need about 5 minutes. You need literally 20 seconds and then check because the water's gone. So I had to do it twice for the 2 trays. And then the second time I just really put a lot less in. But I think they're all up to date now and they should be fine for, I'd say, at least a week. Transplanting and up podding permitted, but should be all set everybody. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Look after me, myself and I, because you are the most important. And no one's going to throw you a life rope if you're drowning. Take care of yourselves. And we'll see you all tomorrow.